Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best dog food for senior dogs that are available on the market for their true quality.
I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Starting at number 5, we have the Hill's Science Diet Dry Dog Food. If your dog is very senior, say 11 years or older, then this would be the best choice of dog food for your dog. It has proved very popular with customers, having earned on Amazon, for example, a 4.5-star average customer rating, even after well over 3,000 individual ratings. We're pleased to report that this formula uses only natural ingredients and is veterinarian recommended. The main ingredients in this formula are chicken meal, barley, and brown rice. These ingredients supply your dog with all the protein and energy they need. But beyond these essential ingredients, there are a great many other great nutrients as well. Other ingredients include the likes of apples, broccoli, carrots, cranberries, and green peas. There's omega-3 for joint health and mobility. There's omega-6 and vitamin E for a healthy skin and glossy coat. And there's a balanced range of minerals for heart, kidney, and bladder health. It's available as dry dog food only and is recommended for small breeds, due to the particular makeup and the extra small kibble size, which is a fraction of the size of gaming dice. You can buy it as a 4.5-pound pack or as a 15.5-pound pack. The 4.5-pound pack is relatively expensive compared to other dog foods, coming in at over $3 per pound of dog food. You do make a saving by buying in bulk and going for the 15.5-pound pack, but this is still relatively expensive. However, if your dog is over 11 years old, taking care of their health in this manner is absolutely worth the extra cost. This dog food is also available in Amazon's Subscribe and Save scheme. With this scheme, you can save 10% on repeat deliveries, at a frequency of your choosing, and you can cancel anytime. Moving on at number 4. We have the Purina Pro Plan Senior Dog Food. This is Purina's premium line of dog food for senior dogs. It has all the benefits of their other line of dog food that we showed you earlier, but it also has a few nice extras, and unfortunately costs more money. It's available in 2 different flavors, namely chicken and rice or beef and rice. And it's available in 2 different forms, as dry food or as wet food. This review is for the dry chicken and rice. It offers advanced nutrition, and there's a full breakdown on the back of the pack of all the different nutrients it contains. You can get to it by clicking Check Price, which opens the product page in a new browser tab. Needless to say, it's recommended by veterinarians. The main ingredient is real chicken, and this helps to form the 29% protein content. And there's also the perfect amount of fat and carbs for energy. Beyond that, there's also EPA, and omega-3 fatty acid and glucosamine to help support your dog's joint health and mobility. But that has now become standard for dog food for seniors. But where the Purina Pro Plan really stands out is how it is fortified with live probiotics, which can make a huge difference to your dog's digestive system, as well as to their immune system. There's a mixture of hard kibble together with tender shredded pieces, and dogs just love the different tastes and textures. And it's made right here in the USA. It's available in packs of different weights, so you can buy in bulk if you want to save money. Alternatively, however, this dog food is also available in Amazon's Subscribe and Save scheme. With this scheme, you can save 10% on repeat deliveries, at a frequency of your choosing, and you can cancel anytime. At number 3, we have the Victor Super Premium Dog Food. This dry dog food is made with beef, chicken, pork, and fish meal to provide high levels of protein ideal for active dogs and puppies. The formula is fortified with vitamins, minerals, essential fatty acids, and amino acids that help promote a healthy immune and digestive system. It is one of the top-selling formulas because it meets the nutritional levels established by the AAFCO dog food nutrient profiles for all stages of life, excluding large breed dogs heavier than 70 pounds as an adult. It has whole grain millet as the primary carbohydrate source and chicken fat for a fat source. Dogs who are fed this formula exhibit a healthy coat and have plenty of energy throughout the day. On the downside, it contains brewer's yeast, which can be an allergen to some dogs, and it is not the most ideal for a dog with a sensitive stomach. At number 2, we have the Diamond Naturals Senior Real Meat Recipe Natural Dry Dog Food. Diamond Naturals is well known that dogs have a natural love for meat like chicken, turkey, seafood, and beef. Also, these meat products have lots of high fiber and proteins in them so as to provide a good amount of proteins in their body. So, these products' main ingredients are chicken, chicken meal, brown rice, egg, oatmeal, rice bran, dried beet pulp and chicken fat. The product is rich in vitamin B2, vitamin D, vitamin B12 and folic acid. It also contains glucosamine and chondroitin for strong bones and joints. The manufacturer has chosen exceptional ingredients to provide food containing a high nutritional value. There are no artificial colors, flavors or preservatives that are added in the food. This makes the meal 100% nutritious. In addition to all these, this natural food is filled with antioxidants which are perfect for the coat and skin of dogs. And finally, at number 1, we have the IAMS Healthy Aging Adult Dry Dog Food. The main ingredients of IAMS Proactive Health Senior Dry Dog Food includes chicken, chicken byproduct meal, barley, whole grain corn, ground whole grain sorghum and natural flavors with no added flavors, colors, fillers or preservatives. One bag of IAMS Proactive Health Mature Adult Dry Dog Food provides 100% real chicken, which is excellent for providing a strong immune system, supported by antioxidants including vitamin E and beta-carotene. All the ingredients provide good bone and joint health as it formulated with essentials items. Because the meal is packed with a great amount of fiber and prebiotics, the dog's digestion will be benefited. The sole reason for good digestion is the proper intake of good amounts of fibers, which we find in meat products. This crunchy meal is easily digestible and helpful in increasing mental sharpness and alertness. IAMS Proactive Health Senior Dry Dog Food is vet recommended and also by the nutritionists as it is made up of 100% natural ingredients providing numerous benefits, like good mental state, shiny coat and good skin, healthy joints and bones, high energy and maintains all-round nutrition. This wholesome meal will be loved by your dog and ensure good health.
Thanks you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.